One beautiful hadith says one day, Prophet David, peace be upon him, he was a king and a prophet. One day he was in his castle or palace, and he had locked all the doors. It was at night. Someone intruded into his home, into his palace. The prophet was surprised. He told him, "Who are you? All the gates have been locked. How did you get in?" He told him, "I am the one who doesn't need permission to go anywhere, and I can go through any gate." He was smart. He realized it was who? Azrael, the angel of death. He told him, "Oh, angel of death." He knew this was his time, because when Azrael is visiting you, he's not going to sit with you and have coffee, right? He's there to take your life. So Dawood alayhi salam, he told him, "But why didn't you warn me? Why didn't you give me a signal that you're coming? I could finish my will, see my family for the last time." I mean, he's a king. He wants to get some things done. "Why didn't you tell me?" He told him, "I did. I sent you many messages." He told him, "When? Where's those messages?" He told him, "Remember last year so-and-so of your friends died? That was my first message to you. 6 months ago, so-and-so died. Remember?" He said, "Yes." He says, "That was my second letter to you. 3 months ago, your relative died. Remember that?" He said, "Yes." "That was my third message to you. I sent you many messages, Dawood. Many messages that you're next. All those people around you, they're going, you're next." All these are messages, brothers and sisters. Everything. Every white hair on our head, on our beard, is a message. It's knocking at us. Listen, don't think you're staying here. Every white beard, every white hair is rahmah from Allah. It's reminding you, everyone is a message. It's a letter from Israel to you, that you're one step closer. Are you ready or are you not ready?